Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. You must be wondering what am I showing you. 4 o'clock. We were so enthusiastic to go to Goa and we wanted some peace of mind after this corona. We didn't travel for so long. So we decided to go to Goa. It was foggy and it was awesome weather. And we all traveled in one car, XUV 500. It was sufficient for us. We planned for 2 cars, but it was not required. Later, this is the place, Dudhsagar Falls. You could have seen it in Kannada film Maina, if you have seen, I don't know. And at noon, we reached Goa. There we had our lunch. The security system was awesome. They were allowing few people to go inside with the mask. And food was okay because our style of cooking is completely different from theirs. It was a bit sweetish, but it was really nice. After food, so this is 15th November. We have stopped for our lunch. It was really tiring because the roads were pathetic. While going, we'll take Karwar route, and this route was really bad. Till Hubli it was good, but we have reached Kalangut beach and we are really tired, but we don't want to miss this view and the sunset. Niyama makem telekonde neeku telisinde. You can make out from my video, I had no sleep for 2 days because of Diwali celebration, and again we didn't sleep entire night because of sudden packing and cooking. We had kids, so completely tired. It was almost 2 days that I didn't sleep at all. Almost I would have slept for 2 hours or something. Finally we reached the beach. So before entering the room, we thought we'll just have a look because we were late. Around roads were very bad. Till Hubli it was awesome. Later it was very bad. So this was the sunset, awesome view. We wanted to watch it. Because we had reached very late, around 5 o'clock, I really didn't want to play in water. We just showed kids the beach. They played in the sand. We went back to the room, freshened up, had some tea, snacks. Then we came back to the beach. It was completely like we reached late because of few stops which we took for cooking for kids, right? Like on the way it was really tough to choose where to eat, and my kid is really attached to red rice, so I had to cook it. But both the kids really enjoyed a lot in the beach, and you'll get to see them in a few more videos. We didn't book any hotel or lodge or even a resort. So suddenly we just came and took. The rooms were okay because we hardly spent any time in the room. So we took 2 rooms. One had attached kitchen. I'll be showing the place where we stayed. Yeah. So this is the entrance. We were
supervisor ke blister ఎత్తుకొస్తారంటే 10 లీటర్ చెప్పినాను. So we didn't book anything. We just came here and we took 2 rooms. This is the room. Bunk bed we didn't use. We was 4 people were staying here. My brother and Sandhya and his son was staying in another room. We had the fun part is good thing about even the small rooms that we got a fridge so we can store fish.
are having our dinner. We are having our dinner here. It's Sunday and we are having fish and prawns. Really, the climate is just awesome. It's not too summery, not too hot. It's not too hot, not too cold. Ayya, cranberry. We had yummy dinner and we were really tired, went back to sleep. You'll get to see day 2 videos tomorrow.